Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation about Unit 1. Look at my creation in this unit student learning list by making and describing thing from use a recycled material. This one, creative and help a student care about the environment, yeah, environment too. Yeah, okay. Uh, As you can see, this student help student learn to describe this recycled material and use the adjective to know what they're going to do with the descriptive text and learn how to organize descriptive word and it's something like that. Okay. Next is you can see the ATP Unit 1 and look at my creation from chapter 4. Okay, there's a 3 weeks. It's week 1, 2, and 3. And each week is have a focus skill like a listening and speaking for from week 1. And second is reading from week 2, and the last one is writing from week 3. Okay, the learning objective, this is from Bloom taxonomy. The first one is remembering, understanding, playing, and something like that. There's analyzing in week 2, understanding, evaluating, and the last one is in the week 3 is creating, write a description of a handmade product. It's a descriptive text, I mean. Okay, from the main learning activity is from the week 1 is first is listening to audio from the unit 1. You can see on that textbook and match picture of item. Okay, next is answer comprehension question based on the student audio. And for the effective activity, student play a hot seats to practice describing. And the last one from the week 1, meeting 1, I mean, is an orally described article using a corrective adjective order to, for the next meeting to know the organized descriptive text, because the adjective is the part of descriptive text, I mean. Okay, from the assessment, uh, I will take from worksheet, oral discussion, checklist, and vocabulary game from the hot seat, and listening comprehension from the week 1. Okay, next is from week 2. The focus skill is reading, like I said before. The main activity is read descriptive text from the unit 1. Okay, and next is analyze sentence and classification worksheet from the adjective order, like a size, shape, color, material none, etc. And group discussion on object. Okay, and next is feature of relation of two function. Okay, and the last one is evaluate to descriptive text in terms of clarity and completeness. And I take from the material in unit 1 from chapter 4. Okay, the assessment assessment type is a worksheet, adjective order, yeah, group reading, text evaluation, checklist. Okay, yada yada. Okay, next is the meeting tree. is focus skill is writing. Okay. Uh, the learning objective is creating in Bloom, and the activity is write a description of a handmade product, and using a proper adjective order, like like the student already practiced in the meeting before, and I think the student can make this. Okay, the activity is brainstorming the idea from obstacle. Okay, is appropriate adjective order, revise, finalize description. Okay, and practice a presentation, or the student can make a short video describing the creation itself, or in a group. Okay, rubric for written product, peer review, a checklist, video or oral presentation in front of class. Okay, next is the design detail lesson plan. This you can see. This is general information uh, about the ATP 4 is a school name, is for SMPN 4 Tambun Selatan, and for the grade is phase D, and this is from semester 1. Time allocation is like a 3 meeting until, yeah, in 3 meeting it's like 40 minutes, 2 times 40 minutes, and lesson designer is myself. This is this is myself. And the next is this is core component is, this is a learning objective or TP. Identify vocabulary or physical. This is a remembering. Is explain the function of material. This is for understanding, and descriptive expression, applying, like I said before, analyze and evaluating, etc. For the number of student is like 30 until 36 student. And the assessment type is, the assessment is a listening comprehension worksheet, vocabulary, group reading, text evaluation, yeah, something like that. And type of the assessment is formative, yeah, daily task, group quiz, peer feedback, and summative, written product, oral video presentation. I can count in, yeah, like a objective, not the objective, but yeah, I will like from the summative. Okay, this is a teaching model. The teaching model is a discovery based learning, and for reading, analysis, project based learning for writing and speaking activities. Yeah, so it's a sequence. It's like what do you call? From each week, each meeting, yeah, it is sequence project based. Okay, for the component is uh call learning is listening to audio like in week 1, and class group discussion from week 2, classroom setup, yeah, okay, reading, analyzing. Okay, next facility and equipment is classroom with a good speaker, maybe, or the teacher brought the speaker herself, the whiteboard, of course, or digital whiteboard. Yeah, if the The school get the digital board, student desk, yeah, of course, projector, yeah, okay, and media and material is the textbook from English Nusantara, audio, and the textbook, worksheet, listening, reading, writing for do the task, like task before, okay, visual upcycle item, yeah, this is like a comic strip in the unit one, or yeah, something like the teacher brought a printed visual of upcycle item, yeah, something maybe like something like that, okay. The student device, yeah, is for it is for the task that student you make maybe in the meeting, like student have to brought device to do some test tasks, like a quizzes, like a technology or digital something using a website or something, okay. This is a lesson plan. So there's a five what is it called? Five table of type. I mean maybe. Okay. This is lesson stage. Okay, lesson stage. There's a pre-activity while there's a two while activity and a post activity. And in this okay, and this in the pre activities from there's a brainstorming, okay, and uh from the Bloom taxonomy, Bloom is remembering and understanding of maybe it's a prior knowledge and understanding the, yeah, uh like know what is a upcycle, and maybe something like is it like discussion to the class to build up their knowledge. Maybe they have knowledge before about the upcycle object or item. It's maybe something like that. And the Bloom taxonomy is remembering and understanding. This is instructional function. Yeah, like what I said before. This active prior knowledge and stimulate the curiosity. Like maybe some student will uh, ask about some question to the teacher, or make the student curious. Yeah. Okay. And from our activity type and tool, yeah, in the in the brainstorming, the use of visual prompt, picture of upcycle item, the teacher, yeah, maybe wrote paper, or paper that in the inside the paper uh the visual or the picture of the upcycle item, and ask the student or the class, like what can you make from this bottle, or something that will up their knowledge, okay. And from the while activity from framework stage is getting exposure or this and discussion, and Bloom taxonomy level is playing, analyzing, and instructional function is guide, practice, and explore concept. Yeah, about the topic. Yeah, the topic is about the upcycle item. Yeah, okay. The student have to listen to our audio from the unit one, and they have to do the task and match image with the name and material. in based on the unit one the task, and this is a group discussion on the comic strip content in the unit one, of course. Also, uh, and yeah, uh, this the last one from wireless activity one, and next is for the wireless activity two is from framework stage is a planning and research, and from the taxonomy bloom is a playing. The next stages, I mean, from the instructional function is strengthen language accuracy and content building. Okay, so this in this what it's called in this section, student play a game. I mean, like a student will have a motivation about this section to build up their what is called maybe they will think this is a fun and not a boringness get boring, so I will give a play a game, and the game is called the hot seat. This is a game about what is called uh and this is a game about describe an object yeah using word, and this is like descriptive text but in the game, and there's this instruction. Okay, set up hot seat. Okay, this is the instruction, as you can see, to play a game. Okay, after that student have to do the oral description practice using objective order. Maybe so, uh, after they know how to play the game, yeah, the teacher will give what is it called? Will give the knowledge about how to organize the adjective order, like a size, shape, color, material, and norm for the descriptive text. Okay, for the post activity is drafting and creating an output. This is evaluating, yeah, and creating from the taxonomy bloom level, and from the instructional function. This is the student demonstrate learning and reflect. I mean, for this final project. Yeah, the student in this section write and orally describe one chosen upcycle object. It might be like a bottle, and using correct objective order. And this is a reflection using a Padlet. Okay, about what student learned today. For I mean from this meeting. I cannot click this. Okay, you can see in this. Okay, this is you can see the student after the learning. Student will give their opinion about their what they learned today. So this is like for the so this is an example like from Jamal 9B. Yeah, but he said like a bottle cans or clothes, books, and the useful things. Upcycle mean using ways to create something new. So after this class, I want to student get the knowledge and understanding about this learning, and yeah, I want to the student. Yeah, I mean like they have um, get they have what is it called? They have the knowledge from the section. I mean, and in the section, the teacher had to see the comment from the Padlet and uh, peer if what's it called, and discuss with the student from what they learned today. Okay, okay, come back to the ATP. Okay, so that's all for my presentation. Uh, I mean, I'm sorry if I get there's something wrong with my work or something like that. Okay, and that's all for me. Bye bye.